Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn how to use the verb phrase. Would have plus past participle, V3, is used to talk about imaginary or unreal situations in the past, things that didn't actually happen, but we are imagining what could have happened instead. It is often used to express regrets, missed opportunities, assumptions, or different possible outcomes in the past. Let's understand this better with some examples. I would have woken up earlier if I had set an alarm. I would have bought that dress, but it was too expensive. You would have met him if you had come a little earlier. I would have prepared better if I had more time. He would have won the race if he hadn't tripped. I would have come if you had invited me. If you were a good listener, you would have understood her feelings. If he were kinder, he would have helped the old lady. Anyone would have done the same thing in my place. If I hadn't requested the driver, the bus would have left by now. I would have worn shoes if I had known we would be walking so much. I would have made sandwiches if we had had bread. Had it been fine, I wouldn't have come to bother you. If you had serviced the car, it wouldn't have broken down in the middle of the road. If he had admitted his mistake, the situation wouldn't have gotten so bad. This work would have been completed by now if you hadn't delayed it intentionally. If someone had entered by the door, the dog would have barked. He would have told you the truth, but he was afraid. If they had supported him, he would have succeeded. But, sir, why the disguise? We would have caught them anyway. If I had known the way, I would have taken you there. If he were better at math, he would have solved the problem in class. If I had a comfortable pair of sandals, I wouldn't have gotten blisters. If they had a security camera, they would have caught the thief. If they had remembered my birthday, they would have sent me a message. At least, they could have wished me. Can you imagine what would have happened? What if he had died? Thanks for watching.